controller, the board produces a 5-volt, 100 millisecond pulse for each of the 4 buttons on your remote control. The positive side of the power source can be between 7 and 15 volts and is applied to either pin 1 or 2, and the negative side is connected to either pin 3 or 4.
Pins 5 through 8 are the outputs associated with the 4 buttons we train the IR board for. The pulsed 5-volt signal is delivered to each pin based on the button push on the IR transmitter. Pins 3 or 4 can be used as the ground for these pins. Before the board can be used, it has to be trained with the remote you wish to use. A series of steps are used to train the board. First, with no power supply to the board, hold down the learn push button while turning the power on to the board. The error LED will light to signal the power is received. Wait for at least 2 seconds and then release the push button.
The error LED will blink for a second, and then the LED for the first channel, CMV0, will light up. This indicates that channel is ready to learn what button on the remote will activate it. To teach the board, hold the remote 4 to 6 inches away and shade the receiver from any bright light. Press the remote button down and hold it until the CMV0 LED turns off. When the LED turns off, release the remote button. The CMV0 LED will light up again. To complete the training, you'll need to press the same remote button down a second time, releasing it when the LED turns off.
When the second LED lights up, you then hold down the second button on your remote transmitter and repeat the process twice to teach the receiver that this is the second button. The same process is repeated on the third and fourth buttons. Once all 4 buttons are programmed, the board will automatically switch out of programming mode and then it's ready to use.
We can look at the signal generated on pin 8, the output signal associated with the first trained button, with the help of an oscilloscope that measures the voltage between this pin and the ground